Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kinong rep na kaleng ka jila kilayo ban Mynta ha ka state level workshop halor ka pang ka agroecology learning circle but ka natural resources management approaches. Hagani ka jing aj hikai kinong rep kilayo jing tip kumno ban penne pensa ya ka rukom rep jong kipor barem bat ban tip ru habayade ba ka rukom rep jong kani ka juk bamenta.
As we conclude this inaugural function, we are filled with thank you all once again, and let us continue this journey of knowledge sharing and collaboration for the betterment of our people and our food system. Participants from various organizations, departments, volunteers and teams of NESFAS, SHARE and SSE for the dedicated efforts in planning and executing this event.
Habakren hakani ka jinyalang ugunan ka DB IFS Additional Project Director MCLL MP ulayat ho bakarukom jong kibriyo na kajala Meghalaya kaya siriyam bat kibriyo jong kajala Karnataka khamtam hakabayade bakarukom bam ha Meghalaya kibam da kaja ha Karnataka ru kibriyo kibam da kaja ulong ru baling ba kani ka jing aji hikai kinong rem kanong ka jing kerku ban penne pansa ya karukom rem khamtam ban penne ya karukom rem kabarim kata banam pendan kam dawai hendai bandep tang da kasbo. Nakliang Executive Director ke NESFAS Ubha Pius Rani. Ulong bahagi ni kisnem baladep ke NESFAS kalala ban IG hikai kinong rap ban pene ke Jingstad Tynrai. Kabaki don ka Jingstad Tynrai kala ban day na kikme ki department kiba ki jiya thu khana bat ban pentre kamlang bat kani ke juk ka bamenta. Ulong ban yali persya ke jing ka bangia kando ni day ban Wanrah lang ni ke Jingstad Tynrai bat ka Jingstad jong kani ke juk ka bamenta.
All these days I read in books that ragi is basically a arid or semi-arid crop. So Meghalaya being a wettest place, I not even in my dream expected that ragi is being grown. Then I slowly realized after conversation, what we have common between Meghalaya and Karnataka is not that we both eat rice, it is like we both used to eat ragi and both of us have changed to rice. And I think now Karnataka is leading its way in its promotion of millets. Not just ragi, Karnataka has so many millets. So people are going back to millets. In fact, I was telling Piyush, we have something called Navadanya. It means 9 millets. A flour made out of 9 millets is being used, which was our traditional food also. This is again being rejuvenated in Karnataka. So I think this is the commonality we should link is in from this perspective. I'm not telling not to eat rice. Still, I prefer rice sometimes. But when we know that what is good and what we used to have, I think we should take a look. And this is where ALCs or NESFAS works are into it. Not just limited to. Definitely, it will be very mean of me if I say ALCs are limited to just promoting millets. It's more than that, it's the entire agricultural system. But one phase of this is how our food systems has been changed, how we can relook into it. It's a first step, what NESFAS and NBMA has done in establishing ALCs. I cannot completely take credit to NBMA. It's NESFAS initiative, which was later promoted by CLAMP project of MBMA. This is not a first in itself. I request everyone here to take a look beyond this. I was talking again with Bapish. We need more entrepreneurs. We develop traditional knowledge. We know. But someone has to take it. Within us, we have to identify local entrepreneurs. There is huge potential here. We have to make sure of this. Here I would like to add, in my capacity as Member Secretary of BRDC, which is a nodal agency for organic certification. Definitely when we go for traditional farming practices, in terms of productivity, it may not be that high as when you go with modern practices. So in order to compensate, definitely your product should get better price. This one of the way of getting better price is when you get a certification, organic certification. So BRDC is into it. We are also trying to collaborate with NESFAS in this. Wherever villages we have been identified, wherever there are active farmers, we request you to register yourself under organic certification. The next step is once we have this organic certification, then we try to promote these organic certified products separately so that whatever the difference or the higher cost which a organic farmer should receive, that should be received to the concerned farmers. So just to NESFAS, to the farmers, to my team and any other guests who are here, I would say let's not end in ALCs as an end in itself. It's a means to achieve something more, but this is a first step and right step. And again, I would like to congratulate. So this workshop is a very good learning platform. If someone has missed during your training program in your villages, and I know there are some more villagers coming from some of our other non-ALC villages, like from Living Root Bridge villages or from other villages, please learn from one another. Equally, as you learn from here, try to learn from your friends who are sitting next to you, so that we can make it more successful. Thank you for.
Kani kini kaji kedulang jong ki Nongrep, jong ke Jela Meghalaya juni nabrong distrik jong Meghalaya. Hangni ngakwa ban penpoi pi kalong ba hakini kisnem ti balalej asnem duna mata hagi trelang bat ka walbang bat kiem ilala ban penyaj syakmat ya kene ke projek kau keteng jong projek kalong ba kumno bakini ki Nongrep juni bagi ni khoi kita KLC ila ban shim ya kata kasen jam ban penpau syakmat ya kata Jingstad Tynrai ba maki kidon Jingstad Tynrai kalau benda nak kikmik apartemen ki ba maki kiju ya praktis nak puas support bani persyang ru ban combine lang bat kini content knowledge ke ba Mynta kumno bakini omdai bakin ya la kejong rei baka Jingstad Tynrai Jingstad jong ne keju Mynta kini Wanrah nang beleyu bangila ban yele persya ini kejing ki ba mengi ya kendo khamtam ya Riang hakri ji LT jungi ngidor kuba araja mu Nongrep ki barang penek pensa ikini badai lembah kini Nongrep i long kedon ke Kermen khamtam kene kerep Riang kejungi ke bang khot kerep Tynrai abdesh panginik sembai ngilap misem long ba khamtam haponon is jungi ngide kata ke hotspot of biodiversity ban ngilap misem hak jingi LT jungi mitas posnem na NESFAS kat banang mi kisngi kini ki sembai ginanang hiar kilanang dojaj ro ban nisngau khia hado kata namar ble yu long ba kawai na ki issue ke ba partai kren kas mangne climate change ki ong ba ban address kini climate change ngidon kami kene ka spa mariang kata bagi ong biodiversity bat haba ka susti kalong ba kat banang mi kisni kini biodiversity nang hiar te kumta hak ji LT jingi bagi Nongrep hawi de sembai ru kajiah hi kumta ngila le kumno long ngila pelong ini ki program per na konong syak bangile kalong bangile kene ke participatory mapping bagi Nongrep i persyang man wajib tip kanu terjadi berkidang pendek besar bangila misem kidon do kumba kawai kesenong kadang average kumba aspa tam ye gini cacing bam bagi dang penon kamenta hangning sedang ban satu long bakani ke spa mariang kadang don ban ngim tangini le ye bat kini ki program ke bangile kum ke kejing klian sembai kini sibang kumno ban pendek besar kini ki initiative long ban keling jungi lale lembak ni project ban i long bakal long ya has khmat kumuk sang nai bi ukrai ni saya bam krai ba tang bre dah kejingwan jong ni PDS pada kejingwan jong ni kau ni lasdang men klet yo ukrai bar ke masuk tenar kelong ba Mynta kini ki ALC membar kelas dang man Wanrah beng ini ukrai kelas dang man penimbiang Mynta ngidang do kumba ndrupot lik snong hak ni ke project bang ngidang kita pendek pesai ini ukrai bar Mynta ni ukrai ru la ponam ha bar inso serong kamta Mynta rajar akulai ke international of millet ban kini ke ba ngasno long ba sorkar ke ban simkia kan bang ban promote kini ki local food barang po snong jungi hi nama kidai kini ke bala ban Asia ke jeng kelanya ke semenek